Folks, it's your old mate Bundaberger here. I'm just about to cook up some fish tacos. These are Spanish mackerel fish tacos a la Texas style. That's sort of what I grew up eating and learning how to cook. So we're going to make some fish tacos. 300 grams, okay, and we're going to dice it. You can do it in the food processor, but it makes it too mushy. You're going to start out with a base, which is basically onion, garlic and chili. And what we've got here is some Scotch bonnet peppers, Caribbean style. Okay, so pretty popular in Mexico and the Caribbean. And what you do is you make a base, and that's the start of your taco mix, okay? A bit of olive oil, and off you go. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do the taco shells now. It's pretty simple, like anyone can do it, but obviously put your shells in the baking tray, heat the oven, turn it on to about 180°C, okay? And they're going to go in on the oven setting for about 10 minutes on that setting. So I'm going to chuck them in there. There we go. So the onions have caramelised nicely. We've got the garlic and chili. It's gone to this sort of nutty, yummy consistency, and we're ready for the other ingredients now. Okay, so we've got, first of all, your generic black and gold baked beans. Okay, this is the home brand baked beans. You can use Mexi beans, Old El Paso. That costs about $3.50. Red kidney beans, really good to chuck in. But I find the old black and gold baked beans, good shit.
It does the job.
So chuck that in. Now, once again, you got your home brand, community company taco mix. Okay? You can use the old Paso shit, it costs double as much. This is just as good. Chuck that in as well. Put that on there. Kick ass. Secret. There you go for you guys at home. Texas style taco secret number one. Just to basically use the packet, fill it with water. Okay, and that's enough water to water down your taco mix. Okay? Mix that in a bit. Now I've got a couple more ingredients to put in. Always use a bit of your salsa. Just a couple of tablespoons of that. Mix that through. And here we go, another secret ingredient for you guys at home in the old Shaino style Texas taco mix. Tomato sauce. Just put a good squirt of tomato sauce in your taco mix. Goes a long way. All that stuff through. And that's got to brew up for a while. Let it simmer. Give it 20 minutes simmering, and then we'll chuck the fish in. Okay, folks. So while we're waiting for our fish tacos to cook tonight, I'm just going to show you guys the first in our series of ways to drink rum. But basically, the series is called "Get Some Rum in Your Blood," and I'm going to show you how to make a well, the common name is rum and coke, but what we're going to have tonight is called a Cuba Libre. Okay, so that's how you say it with an Aussie accent, but basically it's rum and coke and lime. So any kind of rum you like. Captain Morgan's probably my favourite. Obviously you can go with the old Bundaberg rum, the Aussie rum. That's a proven winner. Hard to go wrong with that. But tonight we're going to use Caruba. It's a very underrated rum from Jamaica, okay, so a proper dark Jamaican rum, and it's usually cheaper than all the other ones, and that's why I'm going with this one tonight. So first of all you need a mug. I'm actually sponsored by Captain Morgan, so I've got like a whole range of these Captain Morgan products, but tonight we're using Caruba. First of all you need ice, okay. Few cubes of your flavor. And then we're going to go a generous splash of your dark Jamaican rum, okay, so you just give it a quick bloop, and there you go, that should be at least 30 mils or more. I prefer your proper Coca-Cola. Okay, my brother-in-law in the Cayman Islands, he'll probably tell you Pepsi's the way to go. To me, any kind of cola doesn't matter. Okay, but Coke's the one we're using tonight, so we're just gonna crack that sucker, chuck it in. Okay. Watch the head. You can never have. Well, actually, you can't have too much head. And of course, we have to have, this is very important, lime. Without lime, it's not a Cuba Libre, it's just a rum and coke. So, if you want to have a proper Cuba Libre, always put lime juice, squeeze of lime, that makes it a Cuba Libre, proper drink. Okay, let's taste it now, let's just make sure it's alright. Oh yeah, perfect. Ready to chuck our fish in now. This is the final stage of the fish taco mix. Okay, so
Whoa.
this has been simmering down for 20 minutes and it's ready to go. Then we just chuck the fish in, just pour it in like that, bang, not that, and then mix it in a few minutes. Okay, so the fish won't take long to cook, it won't even be 5 minutes. Well, you put the fish in last because you don't want to overcook it. It goes all mushy and falls apart. You're only really cooking it for no more than 5 minutes, and you want to make sure that your fish is cooked. As soon as it falls apart like that, okay, it's cooked. And don't cook it for any longer than that, otherwise it'll go all mushy and shitty. The fish tacos are ready. I'm going to show you how I make a fish taco. So basically, first of all, the fish, the meat, bit of that, put that in the bottom, not too much, because you've got to fit other shit in there, okay, and then we go for a little bit of salsa on top of that, just to give it a bit of spice.
A bit more
What
spice.
we have here is capsicum, or bell peppers, or tomatoes. Put that on, okay. Always put jalapenos. A couple of jalapeno peppers, you need them. We have here a bit of coriander, cilantro, you might call it that. Not too much, I do like it. Lettuce, always a bit of lettuce. Okay, lettuce goes on. Cheese, grated cheese. And obviously sour cream. Sour cream's up to you, but I do like a bit of sour cream on there, so just put a little bit of sour cream. Okay, so there's your fish taco. You can put a squeeze of lime on it, that makes it nice. And always, of course, rum or tequila goes with it. But let's just give it a try now. Oh my god, that's so good.